Good morning, everyone. It's me and Leanna, and I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm relaxing with some YouTube and eating some breakfast, some cereal, and I am going to vlog for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. So let's just get right into the video. Leanna and I are twinning today.
Yes, we are. 2 elephant shirts. Now we look even more like sisters, so
Heck yeah.
that's fun.
Oh yeah. So now we're heading to the Medieval Dragon Golf Course.
We need to stop at the Pal and pick up a coupon book so I can get a coupon as well for $1 off per person.
Hey, can't beat that. Leanna's having a conundrum trying to put it in the wall up there.
I want it to go in the clock and then I can get a hole in one, but it's not obeying me.
It keeps bouncing over here.
She thinks it's hilarious.
It is pretty funny. Leanna and I stopped for French fries for a snack.
We were hungry because it was hot, there was like hardly any breeze, we didn't have water, so we were like, let's get a snack before lunch. It's an appetizer.
So we have French fries from Jilly's, and we went to the dollar store before, and I got Coke and she got water.
Of course.
Sorry, I'm a soda-holic. She's an aqua-holic, so. I like water, not as much as I like soda, even though it's not good for me. Oof. Leanna and I just got off the boardwalk, and we are gonna head into the pool because it's super hot. And update, I was attacked by a bird. Many birds, seagulls. One actually slid over my head, so that's
She
fun.
was terrified. It was funny.
It's not funny. Leanna and I are relaxing. She's reading on her Kindle, and then I am gonna get in the pool soon. But the pool's gonna be cold, obviously. So I'm kind of skeptical about that. I'm relaxing today with Leanna. We're in the rooms just to hang out. I'm not swimming today. I'm just gonna relax, chill out, maybe watch a little bit of TV. She is eating her guilty pleasure food.
Peanut butter crackers.
Anna and I have been in this apartment for a while, maybe like an hour or so, and we've been relaxing and don't really know what to do. Even though there's a boardwalk, I don't feel like doing anything right now. I'm just being a lazy potato. So Anna and I are doing a photo shoot
In the crusty stairwell. And best spot for the photo shoot, the aesthetics. Oh, this wall is really aesthetic. Let's do something here.
As you sniff the wall.
I did not sniff it.
Then what was this?
I was like,
Oh, okay.
I did not sniff it like
Now you did.
no, because I didn't put my nose up to it.
Leanna and I are playing a fun game of Trouble. I'm beating her.
Badly.
So these are hers, and then these are mine. Good luck, Leanna. At the table, I put the napkins on the plate to make it a little more fancy.
And I brought out the plates and she brought out the silverware. 'Twas a team effort.
For the swings! Woo! Leanna and I are on the Ferris wheel. Woo! It's pretty loud up here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go on many other rides.
It's freezing up here. I'm glad I brought a sweater. I'm gonna fall out. I don't
Hey guys, this is my mom.
Hi.
And so I just got out of the shower and now I'm hanging out. And my mom wanted to be in the vlog, so say something, Mom.
Hello. I just am here having a watermelon hint. And these plastic bottles are nice because they're cancer-free. Good bottles.
There you go.
Top-notch bottles.
Good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. And day 4 already. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Good night.